Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to save a snap on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if of course you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see in the bottom right corner, we have the, of course, spotlights where you can check out some videos. We have the stories where you can go and check out the stories from your friends, the camera, and in the bottom left corner, your location, and of course the chats. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and save a snap on Snapchat. So to save a snap on Snapchat, you can follow these 5 steps that I'll be saying to you now. First of all, you need to, of course, as I already told you in the start of the video, open Snapchat. Then swipe right to bring up the chat menu and open individual chats. After you have opened individual chats, swipe right on your target chat to open the chat conversation. And of course, when you open the chat conversation, guys, tap and hold the text you wish to save. It will be marked as saved. Of course, alternatively, guys, you can save snaps to memories or camera roll by adjusting settings in your profile. And that's how you do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed this video and found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you found this video informative. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Until then, bye guys.